Jenna. We are at the airport waiting for our flight. Here's Maya. You gonna say hi, Maya?
I said a truck was moving.
Truck was moving. Yeah, there's airplanes out there, isn't there? So we are headed for our cruise, and I don't even have my setup, so I don't even have my selfie stick right now. So I'm just holding the camera. So hopefully y'all can see me just fine, and I will talk to y'all soon. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
To the boat. Where are we going?
We going
Man.
to the boat. We are just driving. Well, actually, the bus is driving.
The bus is driving? The bus isn't driving by itself. We have a bus driver. I meant to the camera.
Oh, hi.
Are you having fun?
Yep.
Yep.
So we are on my boat.
You're on your boat? We're on a cruise.
We are on the cruise. Come on.